Let's see some types of polyalphabetic ciphers. Autokey cipher. Autokey cipher is a type of polyalphabetic cipher. Let's see an example to understand it better. Consider we have a plaintext. Attack is today.
We want to figure out the ciphertext for this plaintext using the Autokey cipher. We do that by using this encryption formula for each character in the plaintext. Similarly, we can decrypt using this formula. As usual, P represents the corresponding value for the plaintext character from the alphabet table and K represents the key stream value. Remember that the key value K for each character was the same in previous cases of monoalphabetic ciphers, but for polyalphabetic ciphers, they are not the same for each characters.
Let's see how we figure that out. We have these individuals' characters from the plaintext. The P's values is just the plaintext value from the alphabet table.
Now, the important part is the key stream. For Autokey cipher, we will be given an initial key value K1. Let us consider that the initial key value is 12 in this case. So, the key stream for A, which is the initial character, would be 12. Now, the key stream for every other character will be the P value of the previous character as we can see here.
Now, the C value, or the ciphertext value, can be calculated using this encryption formula C equals 0 plus 12, mod 26 equals 12. So, the C value for A is 12. Let's see the corresponding plaintext value for 12 from the table. We see that it is M. So, the corresponding ciphertext for the character A is M.
Let's move on to the second character, which is T. Its P value is 19 from the table. Its key stream value is 0, because we used the previous character's P value, which is 0. Using the formula, C equals 19 plus 0 mod 26 equals 19. The corresponding ciphertext would then be T. Similarly, we can find out the ciphertext values for each of the plaintext characters and hence encrypt the plaintext. Now, for decryption we can just use this formula and get back the plaintext in similar way. So in this way, we can easily encrypt and decrypt the plaintext and ciphertext using the Autokey cipher.
Now let's go to the Crypt tool website like we did for other ciphers. You'll notice an option called Autokey as shown here. Click on it.
After clicking on the Autokey, you'll proceed with this page. Here, this plaintext is our plaintext as usual. The encrypted text will be shown here, which is also known as ciphertext. And the key used to encrypt the plaintext can be placed over here.
Now, let's try some example based on our understanding. Here, we have a plaintext. It is a good day today. The key is Monday. Can you try to find the encrypted text based on these two information and using the Autokey cipher? Remember to pay attention to the individual characters and use the technique we learned earlier. You can pause the video. Did you solve it? This will be the encrypted text.